You are here to seek your love with an eternal bond before life. And so, I now ask you to state your intentions and answer truthfully the following questions. To the bride, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband? To the groom, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
Yes, sir.
To the brides and grooms, are you ready to raise as good citizens the children that will be born of your marriage? Brides and grooms, now then, since you wish to contract marriage, please face each other. Face each other. Hold each other's hands and express your intentions before the Lord and in this solemn celebration. Look at each other, eye to eye, super in love. To the bride, will you take your groom here present